तब राइस नहीं था, तब खाते क्या थे राजा राम, और राम क्षत्रिय था, तो क्षत्रिय का खाना ही मांसाहारी होता है।
In the lead up to the grand consecration ceremony of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, which is expected to witness the presence of top leaders, Nationalist Congress Party leader Jitendra Ohad has sparked controversy with his statement suggesting that Lord Ram was a non-vegetarian. Mr. Ohad, affiliated with the Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP, made this remark during an event held in Shirdi, Maharashtra on Wednesday. Lord Ram belongs to us, Bahujans. He used to hunt and eat animals. He is a Bahujan. They are trying to make everyone a vegetarian by giving Lord Ram's example. But Lord Ram was not a vegetarian. He was a non-vegetarian. A person who has stayed in the forest for 14 years. Where will he go to find vegetarian food? Mr. Ohad said, referring to the years Lord Ram spent in the forests in the Hindu epic Ramayana. The remark, made just ahead of the upcoming consecration of the new Ram temple in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, later this month, has ignited a significant controversy. Some individuals are calling for action against Jitendra Ohad, accusing him of hurting religious sentiments. Outside Mr. Ohad's Mumbai residence, a substantial gathering of supporters from the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP assembled on Wednesday night, chanting slogans against him. Returning the next morning, the protesters brought a poster of Mr. Ohad, which they repeatedly struck with slippers. Additionally, police personnel have been deployed in front of Mr. Ohad's house. Led by BJP MLA Ram Kadam, the protesters have expressed their intention to march to the nearest police station and file a case against the NCP MLA for his comments deemed offensive to Hindu sentiments. All devotees of Lord Ram will file a police case against Jitendra Ohad, Mr. Kadam said. If Balasaheb were alive, today's Samana newspaper would have spoken harshly to those who called Lord Ram a non-vegetarian, Mr. Kadam said in a post on X, referring to the Shiv Sena's mouthpiece. But what is the reality today? Anyone can say anything about Lord Ram. Anyone can make fun of Hindus. They don't care. They are as cold as ice. But come elections, they will talk about Hindutva, the BJP MLA added. Mr. Ohad, undeterred, continued to stir controversy with another comment, asserting that India achieved independence solely because of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. He stated, no matter what someone says, the truth is that we got independence only because of Gandhi and Nehru. Gandhiji was not assassinated in 1947, but the first attack on him took place in 1935, the second in 1938, and the third in 1942. In Ayodhya, the local authorities and the police are making arrangements for the anticipated surge in visitors around the Ram temple consecration ceremony. Security has been tightened and measures are in place to ensure the temple's consecration event goes smoothly.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.